Today we will study a new variety of adavu which is known as Kathi adavu. Kathi adavu is the adavu today we are going to study. Some dancers consider this adavu as one of the variations of Utpalavana adavu. We have already done the Utpalavana adavu in our practical lesson 9. We have already studied Utpalavana, 2 variations of Utpalavana adavu in our practical lesson 9. We have not included this adavu under Utpalavana adavu as the 3rd variation because this particular adavu is under a particular specified name. This particular adavu is under a particular specified name called Kathi adavu. And some people consider this particular adavu as one of the partial adavus. I have already told you we have to find out the maximum as possible the technical term for these adavus and identify these adavus with the specific technical term. It would be easier for the future generation as well as the learners of the present generation. We can't blindly learn the adavus in a mechanical manner as this has to be done like this way, this has to be done like this way, like that. We must grasp the adavus and we must understand and we must find out how these adavus are being done. That is the proper way of learning the Nirta element of adavus in classical Bharatanatyam. That is partial adavu. I have told you some people they refer these adavus as partial adavu because it is lot of leaping positions are there. They must be using that one. Even for partial adavu they are referring some more adavus also like that. Then it would be a confusion for the present as well as for the future generation. So we have to understand the subject properly and we have to adapt it accordingly. As I have told you, Utpalavana adavu means that is we have already learned in our practical lesson 9. 2 variations we have done it. But why these people are considering this as also one of the variation of Utpalavana adavu? Because the syllable for this adavu and those 2 adavus were same. The syllable for this adavu is Dik Teyum the Tatai. Dik Teyum the Tatai. This is based on Adi Talam. Even the Utpalavana adavu, what we have learned 2 variations in our lesson 9, those also for those 2 adavus also we were using the same syllable. Dik Teyum the Tatai. Maybe this is also one of the causes most of the dancers they consider this as the 3rd variation. This Kathi adavu which we are going to study today, they are considering this as the 3rd variation. Most probably they are using the same syllable. Must be that is the main cause. They must be thinking that it must be the 3rd variation. But we can't consider as on that basis because this particular adavu is considered under a particular name, well established name which is called Kathi adavu. The syllable must be the same but it is when it is considered under a particular name we can't include in that variation as I feel, because it must be related to that adabu, but with two variations we have already done it, but under the same syllabus we use the same syllable, but still we have to consider when it is identified with a particular name, Katti adabu, it is always better we must consider as Katti adabu only. And gestures, what we are using for this particular Katti adabu, we are using two main hand gestures. One is Sikara hand gesture, other one is the Artha Chandra hand gesture. One is the Sikara hand gesture, other one is the Artha Chandra hand gesture. For this category of Katti adabu, we are using two categories of hand gestures. One is Sikara, other one is Artha Chandra. The two hand gestures we are using for this particular variety of Katti adabu. I will demonstrate you step by step how to do it. First of all, we have to adapt the Arai Mandi Sthana position with Ayudha Mandala foot position. Both the hands we have to hold the Sihara. Then it will be like this. Dit te jum te ta te. 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 This is the way we have to do it. This is the right set. What I have demonstrated you now is the right side. It would be like this. Dit te jum te ta te. 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 The body position is Garuda Mandala Sthana position. Similarly, when I do it for the left side, that I am sitting on the left leg. This is my left leg, and stretching out my left hand out with Artha Chandra hand gesture. Right hand I am holding Sihara. I am stretching out the right leg out. Similarly, for the right side, when I do the front directly to the audience, I am sitting on the right side, right leg, and stretching out the left leg out. I am stretching the right hand holding the Artha Chandra. Te yum te ta te. When I do it on the left, I am stretching, sitting on the left leg and stretching out the right leg. This is my right side, this is my left side. Te yum te ta te. This is the way. Then which side we are doing, that particular sitting position, we are stretching the hand out in horizontal level by holding the Artha Chandra. Now we will do the Katti adabu in second speed. the syllable for the second speed, as I have already told you, dit teyum the, dit teyum the, dit teyum the, dit teyum the. Earlier, the first speed, dit teyum the ta te, dit teyum the ta te. The syllable was like that. Now for this is the second speed, dit teyum the, dit teyum the. That is the syllable for the second speed.